Hello, my name is Craig Siegel, and I'll be your instructor for this Introduction to Advertising online course. The course is 15 weeks long. We will be using Moodle to post all of your work. You'll find your reading assignments, your quizzes, your tests, and information all posted on Moodle. At the top of the page, you will find the syllabus and information about how to purchase the online book. Everybody must have the online book, as that has most of our homework and all of the reading. Each week you'll be given information detailing what to expect. There'll be a due date that's always in red, and then there'll be directions. So we start reading the book week 3. So if we look at week 3, I have information. I have a video lecture for each chapter. So for each chapter, there'll be a video lecture here on Moodle, and then there'll be directions to read the chapter. I call them reading quiz because in each chapter that you read, you're asked questions as you go to help you reinforce the concepts that you are learning. It's actually quite excellent. If you complete a reading assignment along with answering the questions, you get 100%, you get an A. Usually this takes about an hour. Okay, so I can tell how long you've been on and if you've completed it entirely. It's all up to you. There's also homework on Connect. So you'll be directed to go to the McGraw-Hill site. On the top right, you'll see this box here, McGraw-Hill, and you'll click on that, and they'll take you to the McGraw-Hill site. Here you'll click on the Connect button. It's just taking a minute to load, and that will take you to the class. So you'll see my name here, top right, and in the center are all the chapters that we need to read, and on Moodle it'll tell you which week you read these. There's a drop down. You also see the dates here. Okay, but I explain everything on the Moodle each week. You'll have a chapter to read and you'll have homework. The homework could be 2 assignments or 3 depending on the week, and you get 2 attempts for each assignment. The homework on Connect is about you understanding the concepts you read in the book. Okay, I really want you to understand the concepts. So let's jump back to the Moodle page. On the Moodle page, if we scroll down to, let's say, week 4. Here's week 4. There's information. There's a video lecture. There's reading quiz in Connect. There's homework in Connect. And then there are assignments. So this week you have 3 assignments. And let's just take a look at one of them. So let's just click on one. Here, there's a video to help explain the assignment, and then there's detailed information on what is expected. Also, if you scroll down, you'll see there's usually a rubric explaining what I'm expecting to see. So it'll be very clear what the expectations are. Also, in some assignments you'll see here in 50 words or more. So hopefully there'll be no questions, but if you do have questions, please email me. I promise to get back to you within 24 hours. Okay? So don't just let things go. Also on the top of the Moodle page are helpful links. So there's links to industry magazines, Adweek, Ad Age, Creativity, Mashable. These are great sites for you to learn about the industry and about what's currently happening. There's also a link to the library because we'll be doing some research for the advertising plan that we'll be developing over the semester. Now, since doing group work online is difficult, I don't do it. So each of you will be responsible for your own assignments. Let's now take a look at the syllabus. At the top of the syllabus, there's information about how you can connect with me. There's my phone number, there's my email address. Please email me if you need anything. If you have a question, you don't understand something, it's best to contact me. You can also see me in person. We can set up an appointment. I have an office on campus, and I'm there Monday through Friday. On the syllabus, you also see the grading scale. This is pretty standard for Columbia. What constitutes an A, a B, a C. The other very important thing is how your grade is broken down, what percentage each element is worth. So homework and Connect, where you get 2 attempts, is 5%. Reading and quizzes in Connect, that's the online book, is 15%. And then assignments in Moodle make up the most. So these are assignments that are listed on the Moodle page. Many of these assignments make up the final project. The final project is a presentation of the advertising plan that you'll be creating. What's good about this is that you're able to rework material you've worked on and had graded, and hopefully you can perfect it, and that'll be part of your final project. There's also a midterm and a final exam. Also on the syllabus, you'll find important information that is standard across the Columbia system. Okay, so academic integrity, incomplete grade policy, these are on all your syllabi and all your courses. All right, I've also added here important dates. Drop dates, withdrawal dates are all listed here. The other important thing, the last 2 pages, is a list of all assignments you'll have on Moodle, the due dates, and the concepts that are covered. Due dates I have set for 6 a.m. on Monday. I do that so that you have all weekend to complete your work, and then you have all Sunday night into the early morning hours of Monday to complete your work. So if you're a night owl, this is great for you. Many of you have a full load of courses, and you may also be working. So I want to give you the most opportunity to complete your work. I do not accept any late work. Okay, no late work. I also suggest, since this is an online course, that you at least log in 2 to 3 times a week so you can keep up with what's going on. If you are not logging on, I will email you just to see what's going on and to remind you. You need to keep up, create a schedule that allows you time to read. Like I said, it usually takes about an hour. There'll only be 1 chapter a week. And then there is the homework assignments. If a homework assignment is going to take an extensive amount of time, and there are 1 or 2, I will alert you beforehand so that you can pre-plan your schedule. So that's in the syllabus. So let me just play this little introductory video about me. Welcome to Introduction to Advertising. My name is Craig Siegel, and I'm your instructor for this 8-week course. I have a 23-year history in advertising, working with many different advertising agencies, retailers, social institutions, and large corporations, mostly on the production side. So welcome. Please take a look around. Be sure to purchase the book, just going through the block up here, or buying a code through the bookstore at Columbia. And contact me with any questions. The first week, you have 2 assignments. We have introduce yourself and your favorite commercial, and all the information here is that you need. I also offer you some commercials to look at. These are the top 10 commercials according to Adweek for last year. Just click and play them.
Robin Hood and Little John walking through the forest, laughing back and forth at what the other has to say.
They're all excellent. So be sure to take a look at them. Look over everything on the Moodle page. Contact me if you have any questions, and make it that every week at a certain time you sit down and look through the Moodle pages. I only open the weeks as we get to them, so you won't have access to weeks ahead of what is now. Okay, that makes sense. But every morning on Monday, I open up the next week, and it's due 6 a.m. the following Monday. Again, welcome, and please email me with any questions.